Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how you can design this pocket-like design in this senator wear. So watch till the end of this video. You're going to understand how to make these designs. Right? If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, and for my old subscribers, thank you very much for making it thus far. All right, the pattern paper for this I did a video on this. Okay, I dropped it on the description box below. Just check the description box there. You see the link to the video on how to produce this pattern. This is one of the pattern produced in previous videos. They have their different measurement. Right, we'll be using cloth stay. That's cloth stay, white color stay. I don't know how much it is sold in your area, but I bought it 800 naira. Right, it has a shining part. Okay, this is the shiny part. Right, so this is what we'll use. We'll place our pattern on it, and then we'll cut. Okay, place a pattern on it, and then we'll cut. You can give 1/4 inch. Okay, you can give 1/4 inch. You can cut exact. It depends on the size of your design that you want. So either you give 1/4 inch or you leave it just as your pattern paper. You cut exact size. Right here, you place the pattern on that stay, and you cut properly the curve. Okay, here your pattern. Okay, you cut the smaller one. Okay, and then you place the smaller one on top of the white fabric. We are using a white fabric, that's why you cannot see that cloth stay. The cloth stay is placed on top of this fabric. Okay, so all you just need to do is to place it and cut it. Then make sure you follow the curve. Okay, the curve attached to the cloth stay. And so the next thing you do is after getting the 3 pieces of the design, all right, the next step you do is you iron this cloth stay. Use a steam iron. You iron it on top of the fabric you wants to use, the design in particular, the color of the design you are interested to use in this tutorial. All right, as you can see, I've ironed my stay, my cloth stay, on top of these fabric already, as you can see. And so I'm trimming the excess of the excess is too much. Okay, what you just need is half of an inch or 1/4 of an inch, depending on your preference of allowance. And so you take this to your iron, you take it back to your iron, and then you fold ½ inch. You fold alongside with the curve. Please don't forget, you fold alongside with the curve. Okay, you fold alongside with the curve itself. Follow the curve the way it is, all right, as described, as you can see in the video there. All right, so you iron. Please make sure you use steam iron. If you don't have steam iron, you can use, if there's a local iron you have, you can also use it, but make sure you sprinkle a little water on it. All right, but preferably you put a pieces while sprinkling water on it. All right, for that curvy part, you need to slit it a bit for it to form that curvy part. You know, it's curved. Right? All you just need is to slit it a bit, and you fold, and make sure you iron smoothly. Okay, iron smoothly. And after ironing, I'll show you the result after ironing. Okay, also the smaller one, do the same. Okay, but leave one side must be left. You leave one side of it. Okay, as you can see, I folded it. Okay, I folded both sides. Okay, you can see I left for the white, I left one side open. For the black as well, I left one side open. But for the middle design, the middle one, the sky blue, I folded both parts. Okay, you can see I left the other part open. As you can see, just follow my hand, I left it open. Also the white, I left it open. Okay, all right, and just as I've placed it here, my white will be on my white piece design will be on my right hand side, while the black will be on the left hand side. As you can see, I'm positioning where the sky blue will be on top, will be placed on top. That is where I left the ½ inch. Okay, I didn't fold that part in the black and the white. All right, so make sure you place it on top of the fabric. All right, make sure you place it on top of this fabric. Please, if my video have added value, okay, to you, please give it a thumbs up. That means like, click on like button and share these videos with others. Okay, share it with others so that others will also learn. Sewing should be made easy, free and easy for you. Okay, all right, so please, we use hem stay. Okay, some persons call it hemming gum, some call it hem stay. Okay, what you do is place it on top of the fabric where you will the joint between your sky blue fabric and your black. Place it on top, and you please use a steam iron. You place a cloth on top of it and you iron it. Okay, you also do same to the other part of the design. Place your sky blue on top of the white, and make sure the hemming gum does not touch your iron. It will disfigure the surface of your iron. It will make it not to iron well. So put a cloth on it and iron. As you can see, I'm through ironing. Okay, you can see it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful out here. All right, so please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. It is absolutely free of charge. You will not be charged any money for subscribing. Just click on the subscribe button and you'll be good. Please share my video with others. Okay, this video is getting to you because it's free, so please share it with others, with your friends, with your sewing mates, or with your colleagues, okay, that are fashion designers as well. Okay, so just don't forget to drop your comment if you have any question, if you have any design, pocket senator design that you want me to attend to, okay, to produce a video on. You can just drop it on the comment section. Okay, drop your comment. I'll be there to answer you, to see your comment, and to help your fashion grow. Okay, I just want fashion to be simple for everyone. All right, please don't forget to subscribe. All right, you're great in your little way. Practice make perfect. Bye bye.